Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some chicken thighs right here, skin on, bone in. We'll make some blackened chicken. We have some white rice right here. So with the white rice, we're gonna make some dirty rice. So let's go ahead and season everything up. I'll put the seasoning, all the ingredients in the description. So we have some vegetable oil. Go ahead and pour that vegetable oil. We want that seasoning to stick. So this 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Alright, this our paprika. So we got 2.5 tablespoons of that paprika. It's that garlic and herb. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of that garlic and herb. It's the Italian seasoning. Oh, that's strong too. And it's our blackened seasoning. Alright, this is our blackened seasoning right here. So I'll list all the measurement. Okay, there you go right there. Go ahead and throw me some gloves on, and we'll go ahead and mix it in. Okay, the chicken nice and seasoning. We have our oil in here. Alright, meat side down first. Alright, now we got the skin side down. So we want all that flavor right there. all that good flavor. Rice. A little more. Add water. So you get the rest of that rice out. Just like so. Alright, we have one chicken bouillon cube, tomato. Boom, add that. A little more of that blackened seasoning. 1 tablespoon. Some Italian. Tablespoon. Some paprika. Tablespoon. That's all we need right there. Mix it in. Like so. Take our chicken. Put that good chicken in there. Meat side down. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our blackened chicken and our dirty rice. And when I say this is delicious, this is delicious. And no spice at all. No spicy at all. It's just fire. So I'm about to put this on a good plate. And we'll close this video. And I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like button. Look at that chicken, extra tender. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen in this good kitchen. We have our blackened chicken with the dirty rice. Look at that right there. Looking good, looking good. I done made it happen right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button for your boy, you know, so YouTube can push this channel, push my videos. Appreciate everybody and their support. But you know, this is what I do. I cook in the kitchen, making it happen. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice.
Chef hit dice. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my growing and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you my right.